Francois said it. It's time for Agrobuzz, our weekly agricultural feature here on Sunny Side Up. Now, we're looking at yam today. No, not yam foot. Yam the food. It's a favorite staple in Jamaica, and its versatility spans a wide cross-section of cooking methods. You can roast it, you can have it with salt, fish, boiled in soups, prepared in a salad. And today, we turn our focus to sweet yam, one of the 9 priority crops of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries Production Incentive Programme. And we've been talking about this, which is managed by the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. Now, we're talking about a gentleman, or we'll be speaking with a gentleman who's been working with farmers to increase sweet yam production. Acting Senior Director of Production, Marketing and Special Projects, Collin Henry. I think we've got Mr. Henry on the phone. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good.
All right, so, you know, when I say it's so nice, we have to do it twice. We're focusing on sweet yam again. Why? Why was sweet yam chosen for increased production?
Sweet yam, this is one of the better eating yam varieties in Jamaica. And this is very crucial to the country's national food security mix. And it will help to reduce rural-urban drift and contribute to rural development, sustaining rural farmers and their farm families. This is why the Ministry of Agriculture and RADA has taken this holistic approach to provide farmers with clean planting material and other inputs to maximize production and productivity so that we can maintain market access both locally and internationally.
Okay, and how many farmers do we have involved in the production of sweet yam?
To date, we have over 500 farmers involved. And these farmers have helped to create employment within the rural communities.
And what communities are those?
We're talking about South St. James, we're talking about Endeavour and Madras in Centon, Clarendon, Repford, Jameshill, Reaches, Thompson Town in Clarendon. We're talking about Miles Gully in Manchester, South Trelawney. And you know, Trelawney is the mecca of yam in Jamaica. And one of the things that why we take on this is to expand and restore sweet yam, because sweet yam has been suffering from the deadly anthracnose disease. So that is why we are working closely with sweet yam to restore it back to its glory days. Okay.
And what successes have you had so far? How much sweet yam have you reaped?
Well, today we have seen a 12% increase when compared with the corresponding period of 2018-2019. So we have reaped over 55 hectares, realizing over 800 tons, generating over 150 million directly to rural farmers.
$150 million?
Over 150 million in the rural communities.
That's fantastic.
So that farmers can better able to take care of themselves and their farm families.
And how much have we spent? Have we invested in this?
Approximately 30 million to date.
Okay, definitely a success. And final question, what is the guidance that RADA is providing to farmers in growing sweet yam?
Well, RADA and the Ministry of Agriculture, we have established a structured management program so that we can train the farmers, ensure that the farmers adopt the best practices. So we have conducted training, regular field visits, we send out text messaging, we have forged linkages with all the buyers, we have critical working groups with critical stakeholders, input including exporters, input suppliers, researchers, and other agricultural technicians. So we are taking a serious holistic approach.
Okay. Well, we want to wish you all the best with it. I love sweet yam, so I'm very happy to hear about the investments and the successes. And we want to thank you for talking with us today, sir.
You're welcome.
All right. That's Acting Senior Director of Production, Marketing and Special Projects, Collin Henry, sharing how we need to appreciate and understand. It's all about increased production of sweet yam. Did you know there are about 18 varieties of yam? I never know that. C'est juste. 18.
About?
18.
No, I wouldn't know 18, but, like about 8.
Name it. I think you lieth. You don't know
yam,
it variety of
yellow
yam.
yam, sweet yam, soft yam.
Soft yam.
Yes.
Soft is sweet.
Soft yam.
Don't help. Do
Vincent,
not help
yes.
him, Monique.
St. Vincent yam. The yam what I can't say.
Will you stop helping him, Monique?
Brenta yam.
I'm calling him bluff and you're not helping me. You're
I
helping
gone
him.
more than 8.
Okay, fine, you did. Folks, it's really mainly Negro and sweet yams that are of commercial interest. So let's continue to support our farmers by eating what they grow as they grow what we eat. And of course, for information on what's happening in the agricultural and agro-industry sector, visit the ministry's website at mycaf.gov.jm. Follow them on Instagram or Twitter. Check them out on Facebook. And join us again next week for another Agrobuzz.
The value can't go